Morning. Long time no see, man. Oh, dude, you're going to your first meet today or what?
Yes, I am. I'm excited.
You excited, man? This is probably like one of the best meets to go to, I think.
Really?
Yeah. All right, you ready? Do you have the address? I can send it to you.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I'll send it to you on Instagram. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlogs. Today we're starting off with going to the Doghouse, the drivers meet. It's a collab meet with SoCal Drivers Club and Doghouse Garage. The guy you saw in the beginning, that's my homie Wallace. I've known him since my freshman year of college. He's like literally like one of my first friends. He recently finally pulled the trigger on getting his first like car, like sports project car kind of car. But he ended up getting a Nissan Z, all black, manual. So it's his first manual car, and this is his first meet that he's taking the Z2, which is pretty cool. But we're on our way right now, and yeah, let's go and head over there. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Yes, sir. Dang, dude, this is nice.
Thanks.
Nice car, man. How's it been owning it now?
It's pretty cool. I have a catback exhaust from AWE and an intake from AMS.
Yeah, dude. The Nissan Zs, man, they're high-key, like, underrated as hell. These aren't, like, as expensive for the competition it's like kind of based off of. Man, look at these intakes, bro. When you pulled, I was like, damn, that's just kind of loud.
Yeah, they're supposed to be closed box, but
Nah, keep it open. It looks cool.
but it's carb legal. But dude, they don't have the stickers. It's supposed to come within the box, but I called them. They said they're out of stock.
The stickers?
Like for carb stickers.
Oh,
yeah.
hell no.
That's crazy.
You need that shit.
I do.
It's nice to have another black car because all my friends, they all have either white, and that's it. Like everyone that I'm friends with has a white car. What's next?
What's next? This is forever.
No, like as in like mods.
Oh, mods. I want coils and wheels, like rims.
Okay.
But that's really expensive.
You know what you should do?
What?
You should do Mag Blue.
Mag Blue?
You should do Mag Blue.
So I want chrome work wheels.
Oh, that'd be sick.
S1
Like
3P.
Oh yeah, the S1 3-piece? Yeah, those
Yeah.
are fire. That actually would be good. Can't go wrong with chrome and black. It's a good contrast. I low-key need contrast. See what it feels like in this car.
I mean, you could drive it.
No, not now.
Okay.
I just want to sit in it. Oh, you know what? It's like, it's not tight in here. Like it's pretty spacious feeling. Look, you've got a stock cross member brace back here. If that's what it's called, I don't even know what that's called. Boost gauge, turbo speed, voltage. That's cool. I put an oil temp gauge, but that's just 8.6 stuff. My 8.6 gets hot on oil.
What up, what up, what up?
Let's go, Ryan. Long time no see.
I know.
I said hi to you already.
Hi.
Sorry.
My name's Wallace.
Nice to meet you, Wallace. Ryan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I see you on Andre's videos.
Yeah.
You're like low-key in all of them.
Yeah, I am. You know, I try. I'm hey, are you filming today? Let me be in it. No, I'm just kind of.
I think that's gonna wrap it up here at Doghouse. There's actually another meet that I wasn't aware of that's happening at the same time at Gretty. 30% of everyone here that left to go over there. So I feel like that'd be a cool meet to go to. What do you think of the meet?
I thought it was pretty cool. I haven't been to a meet in like almost half a year, so it's pretty nice to see cars again.
Nice.
Also going as, I always went to car meets as a spectator, but going as like having a car, it's like a whole different experience.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Like you feel part of it.
Yeah.
You feel like you're part of it. Oh, look, people like your car, man. They love it. They're looking at your car. Dude, there's actually a lot of people looking at your car. It's just because you don't really see Z's around as often, you know?
Oh, that's like one of the biggest reasons why I wanted it. Dealers are selling it as a more reasonable price, and like it's more rarer. You don't really see them at all.
Yeah.
I've seen like one in the past 6 months.
No, really, I don't really see them as often. They're really like good cars for the money, especially like newer cars like twin turbo V6, bro. And it comes in manual, bro. It's like the last of its kind right there. Hey, I like your license plate, man.
Thanks, bro.
When did you get it?
The same day you got yours.
Oh, wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I guess they were pumping them out that day.
Yeah.
Very good.
Sakto, you guys' brand?
Yes.
This is head honcho right here. This is Mr. Sakto himself. At the Gretty meet. Look, Fito. Yeah, we're all parked up here. The meet is that away. Yeah, I didn't expect to come here. I just wanted to, you know, go out and enjoy the last moments of my freedom before I have to really, really lock in for finals. I know I told you guys I was locked in. I'm not. It's just been YouTube and work. But look, 2 Frozen Black M3s. Wow, that's crazy. But yeah, I've just been dilly-dallying. But today is like the last day I have to turn into my final. So I don't really have a choice to lock in or not today. So it's either I don't turn it in and get a fat 0, or I actually lock in. So that's the only problem. But other than that, I'm trying to make the most of it and try to do all this stuff before the day. I actually have to leave early anyways, like get home at least by like 2 or 3. Everyone go ahead and follow Steven on YouTube because he recently just opened his, I use him a lot for content, so might as well give him a little shout out. Why did you say you started YouTube? Say it again.
Because of my best friend Andre, you know, like he inspired me to start vlogging on YouTube. So
Yeah.
you know, shout out to Dre, guys. Make sure you comment and share the video.
Yeah, and go follow him and like, he actually posted
Thank
his
you.
first video, so go ahead and hype his thing up and put some hate comments for me. Okay, no, I'm saying. Oh, this thing is wild. Why else do they have an e-brake? And it's manual, bruh. They drift this shit, bro.
Damn.
Oh, is it cantilever suspension? I think that's what it's called, cantilever suspension. That's wild, bruh. This is all in the Tacoma. I'm telling y'all, the shit you see out here is crazy, bro. Very unique. Very unique. Even this thing, dude. I don't even know what an M-Spec is. Wow, Z-Tune front fenders here. I don't know what mirrors these are. Maybe SS Active, I could be wrong. That's so good. What do you think of this, dude?
It's absolutely beautiful. I would totally own one if I could.
This low would be good for you, I think. This is like a perfect setup for you.
Yeah. Wait, what exhaust is it?
I have a feeling it might be a Pexi because this is their car. How low does it hang? Oh, dude, look how high his is. His exhaust doesn't hang that low. You might have to get this one, bro.
I might have to sell my
You have to sell yours.
Okay.
This is functional, I think.
Functional?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I probably have to run a lip to make it look nice, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I think this is a really good thing to base your car off of for a
Okay,
setup. That's fire. Guys, I don't know why, but this thing is hitting really good. It's just because it's so OEM. I'm just a sucker for OEM shit. I don't know, it looks so good. The fat, what, 6-piston brakes? OEM Nismo wheels? What is it? 4-piston in the rear? The silver is nice. I feel like, I don't know.
If I were to get an R35, definitely go for the 100K version. The
100K version,
the
what's that?
facelifted.
Oh, like that one better? I feel like those are
Really?
bigger, dude. They look huge.
They're sharper.
I like the original. I don't know. It's too big. I feel like that one's too blocky for me. Like this is just the right amount of blockiness, in my opinion. All right, guys, I'm gonna go out on a whim and say that as of right now, currently, I want one of these next. You guys know me. I changed my preference for dream cars and next cars, but I don't know. I just saw this again, and it looks so like, it looks good. I'm weird, guys. I think my next dream car switched again. I don't know what the hell. It's so weird, but
It's been my dream car.
it looks so good though. I don't know. It's just, out of nowhere, I just fell in love with it again, just seeing this one. And it's fucking stock.
Send me those clips.
I will. Drive safe, brother.
Bye-bye.
Nice seeing you again. Hello everyone, you're probably thinking that I forgot to make an outro. Well, actually you might be wrong. My camera has been acting up a little bit today, and I have no idea why, and it completely scrapped the last part of this vlog. But I don't know what happened to the last portion. I don't think I forgot to press record, but as I was editing this, the clips were gone, which is really, really odd to me. Finals is kicking up, guys. I literally start like finals tomorrow. My first final is tomorrow in person, and I have finals Tuesday and then Thursday. So this week is the last week, guys, and then I'm home free. But yeah, just wanted to tell you guys that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.